Okay, I'm at about the halfway point here on this project. I've got almost everything taken off the body. All parts are over here and spread out all over the place. We've got some fair major holes to deal with. I've broken off about 50% of the bolts, so we got to deal with that kind of stuff. So I still have to take off these sills. And we got quite a bit of rust holes inside. It's got some areas that need detecting, but I'm just going around it here, and then I'm going to flip it over on its side and go for the bottom. This is all got to be patched up. It's in pretty rough shape there. Battery box goes clean through into the cab. I've got to take this wiper out of here before I get into tipping it over. Yeah, on this side, that came free completely as well as broke off, so I've got to completely redo that. Major leak holes. And I've got my tip over jigs built, so I've got to reposition the vehicle and then see about getting my neighbor to give me a hand tipping it on its side. So I'll come back when I get that done. Well, it went over nicely, no problems, but you definitely get a better look at what's going on. This is the rear end of it. Lots of rust holes to contend with. Then we come to center section by the leaf springs. Big holes. Passenger seat area, passenger area. Lots of big holes there. Front end, right in the passenger side. Got to remember which way up this thing is. That's got to be all fixed. Your center thing needs to be repaired, replaced, whichever. And lots of holes. Subframe, major league holes. A lot of work. Needs a lot of work. But hey, I'm game. Okay. That's where we are at this stage of the game. It's now all the body parts are removed. Now it's a matter of sandblasting and removing all the rusty metal and replacing it with good. So, not quite the halfway point, but at least I'm going to be starting to put it back together. We'll check back in later.